Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Today we are going to see trigonometry exercise 8.2. See, these are the trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, as you have learnt in 8.1, and we are going to see the values of sines, these trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You must memorize all these values, then only we can evaluate the following questions. Evaluate the following: sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. Okay, we are going to evaluate this first question. What is the value of sin 60? Value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. The value of cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Into symbol is there, so into root 3 by 2. And plus the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. So now root 3 into root 3, we will get 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Now we have the same denominator, so we can add the numerators as it is. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So 1 by 1, that is 1. So my answer is 1. And shall we go to the second sum? My second sum is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. 2 into tan 45, the value of tan 45 is 1 and tan square is there, so I am putting that square as it is, plus cos 30, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and square is given, so I am squaring it, minus sin 60 degree, value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and square is given, I am writing that square as it is, so I will be getting in the next step 2 into 1 square is 1, so 2 1s are 2 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into 2 is 4 minus root 3 square is again 3, 2 square is 4. I can cancel this plus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 and I'll get the answer as 2. So the answer is 2. Do you understand these two questions? Shall we go to the next one? Let's listen the third one. Cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. Cos 45 degree. The value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Secant 30 degree. The value of secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 value is 2. Now the next step is 1 by root 2. Taking the LCM of this one, I'll get 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 3. And the next step, I'll be getting 1 by root 2. The reciprocal of this one is root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So I'll be getting root 3 by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. So when I multiply this root 2 with all these, what I'll get? 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. 2 into root 3 into root 2, that is 2 root 6. Okay. So in the next step, I'm going to take the conjugate. When I take conjugate, what I'll be getting? Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. When I rationalize, I'll get root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root x. That is, it is in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So I can write this as a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Now I'll be getting root 3 into 2 root 2 is 2 root 6 minus 2 into root 6 into root 3, root 18. Root 18, okay, by 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4, root 6 square is 6. So 4 6 are 24. So I'll be getting here 2 root 6 minus, I can write this as 9 into 2, 18. I can write 9 into 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 2s are 6 and I'll be having root 2 by 8 minus 24 is minus 16. When I take 2 minus 2 commonly outside, I'll be getting 3 root 2 minus root 6 by minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled. So I'll be having two into 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So when I cancel that, I'll get the final answer is 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. So this is my answer. Okay, shall we do the next sum? Yes. Listen to this. Fourth one, sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Okay, we are going to evaluate it now. So what is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 by secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, cot 45 is 1. So next step, I have the denominator is 3 and root 3 and 2. So my LCM is 2 root 3 and I'll be getting your root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by, again I'm getting 2 root 3 as LCM in this denominator. So here 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay, and my next step, Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4. And I can cancel this 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 by 4 plus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3. 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. So 4 plus 3 root 3. When I rationalize, I get 4 minus 3 root 3 by 4 minus 3 root 3. I have to take the conjugate, right? So now I have to multiply 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. That I can write a square minus b square. Okay. And the next step is 3 root 3 into 4 is 12 root 3. Same like that is minus 16. Minus 4 into minus 3 root 3 plus 12 root 3. Okay. By 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9. Root 3 square is 3. So 9 3s are 27. So I'll have 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3. Totally 24 root 3. 24 root 3 and minus 27 minus 60. Love minus 43 by 16 minus 27 is minus 11. So when I take minus outside, I'll be getting 43 minus 24 root 3 by minus 11. So minus minus get cancelled. The answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Okay. Shall we go to the next one? Fifth sum. Yes. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. How will we do this? 5 into what is cos 60? 1 by 2. Square is given, so I am putting that square. Plus 4 into secant 30 is 2 by root 3. The whole square. Minus tan 45 is 1. So I will get 1 square is 1. Okay. By sin 30 is 1 by 2. The square is given, so square. Plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2, the whole square. Now, what is the next step? 5 into 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 4 is 4. Plus 4 by 3. So, 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So, 4 4s are 60 by 3. Minus 1 square is 1. By again 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. So I am getting here the LCM was 12 in this denominator. 4 3s are 12. So 5 3s are 15 plus 16 4s are 64 minus 12 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. When I cancel, nothing else, only 1, right? So 15 plus 64, 79. 79 minus 12, 67 by 12. So the final answer is 67 by 12. Do you understand this question, children? Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Choose the correct answer. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30. We have to find the correct answer in this place. Shall we find? Yes. Given 2 tan 30 degree plus 1 plus tan square 30 degree. 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. So, you can write 2 by root 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. I'll take the reciprocal now for the denominator. So, what I'll get? 2 by root 3 into 4 by 3 reciprocal is 3 by 4. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. And root 3 into root 3 only 3. So when I cancel 1 root 3 in this place, remaining one will be 1 root 3. Okay. So I'll have root 3 by 2. So I can write this root 3 by 2 as sine 60 also. Okay. So the answer is sine 60 degree. So the next sum, 1 minus tan square 45 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay, shall we evaluate this? Yes. The value of tan 45 is 1 and 1 minus tan square 45. First tan 45 is 1. So square is given, so I am putting that square. Again 1 plus tan 45 is 1, square is given, 1 square. And then 1 minus 1 square is 1. By 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 square is again 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 by 2 is 0. So my option is D, that is 0. The next question. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a is true when a is equal to. Let us take the first 0 degree and substitute and see whether we are getting or not. If not, we have to apply 30, 45, 60 like that. Okay. So I am taking at a is equal to 0. Sine LHS is sine 2a. Sine into 2 into a is 0. So I'll be getting sine 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. Now I'm taking RHS. 2 sine a. So 2 into sine 0. What is sine 0 actually? 0. The value of sine 0 is 0. So 2 zeros are 0. I'm getting LHS is equal to RHS. So I can say that sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a when a is equal to 0. 0 degree. Okay, shall we go to the next one? Fourth sum. 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So 2 into, instead of tan 30, have 1 by root 3. 1 minus tan 30, again 1 by root 3. But square is given, so I am putting that square. So I'll get 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 square is 3. 2 by root 3. 3 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. Yes. Now I can write 2 by root 3. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 2 getting cancelled. I told already I can write this 3 as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 is cancelled. So 1 more root 3 will be there when I cancel this root 3 and root 3. Okay. So I have root 3. So root 3 I can write as tan 60 degree. The value of tan 60 is root 3. So the option is C. My answer is tan 60 degree. And coming to the last question. If tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degree, A greater than B, find A and B. Okay. So what is given first? If tan A plus B is equal to root 3. Okay. So I can write this value of root 3 in terms of tan means value of root 3 is tan 60. Now I am going to remove this term by taking tan inverse on both sides. When I take tan inverse tan A plus B is equal to tan inverse tan 60. Tan inverse and tan get cancelled. So I'll be getting A plus B is equal to 60. This is my first equation. And the next condition is given. Tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So again the same thing I am writing in terms of tan, that 1 by root 3 as tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. I can write tan 30 degree. Want to remove the tan on both the sides? Taking tan inverse on both sides. When I take tan inverse on both sides, now I can cancel the tan inverse and tan. So the remaining is A minus B is equal to 30 degree. This is my second equation. Now I'm going to solve this first and second equation by elimination method. So A plus B is equal to 60 degree. This is my first equation. Second equation is A minus B is equal to 30 degree. When I add these two, 2A, A plus A, 2A, plus B minus B cancel. So 90 degree. 2A is equal to 90 degree. So A is equal to 90 degree by 2. I'll get 45 degree. So I'm getting A is equal to 45 degree. Substitute A is equal to 45 degree in any other equation, either 1 or 2. Suppose I am substituting in equation 1. What is my equation 1? A plus B is equal to 60. So 45 plus B is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45, that is 15 degree. So I am getting B is equal to 50 degree. Therefore the values of A is 45, B is 15. We asked us to find the value of A and B. We have found it. Do you understand this, children? Yes. Thank you.